Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, 19th of May 2014, we're going to be looking at the US Japanese yen using the Elliott Wave. And we're going to start from the monthly chart and go down to the 1 hour chart. Okay, once again, before we start, please do go through the disclaimer. Have a read and stop at your own leisure. And also the same thing for the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So let's go to that chart. So I've started here with the monthly time frame, and I've taken the count from here, which is August 1998, being in the super cycle degree, and that would be in a corrective kind of move. So 0, A, and the B would be up there. I just wanted to show to you this is how it would look. So there's 0, there's the A and the B, and now what we're really following the blue in brackets, if you can see. The subwaves of this move would be the cycle degree being in black. So as you can see, the A, B, C had been completed, and now also we're in an A, B, C corrective move. So what we're looking now, we're actually going to break down these particular degrees and actually further look into its subwaves, which is the primary being in red in circle. So now we're going to go to the daily chart, and from the daily chart, off the larger wave degree, we had mentioned to you we're in that corrective move. So here we have is a 1 and there's a 2 is our target, what we're looking for. So right now we're in several trades which we've taken on smaller time frame. Okay, so the wave 2 is going to come to around 98.30. That's our target level. That's the 61.8% level. So we're riding this wave down. Its subwaves is the intermediate, which is in a wave C, and then we have the minor wave, which is pink, right? So as I said to you, the subwave, we're in the wave of the primary degree cycle, which is red in circles. Its subwave is the wave C. That's the intermediate wave C. So it's in a wave C. So if we take it now to the 4 hour chart, right, you can see I was saying to you it's in the intermediate wave, and there's an ABC corrective move in occurrence. AB, so we're in a C wave, that's right. I said to you we're in a C wave of the intermediate, which will finish way down somewhere. Go down, go back up, sorry. Yeah, we're in a C wave of the intermediate, and that will finish off the wave 2 of the primary degree. So when we go back to the 4 hour, you can understand we're in the C wave. We're riding that C wave. That C wave of course has 5 waves within, which are the minor waves, which are called minor degree, which are in pink. So there's the one which finished on the low of April the 10th, right? And there's the 2, which finished on the high of May the 4th, right? And we're in the third wave down, and that's the wave really what we're looking at to be able to trade. And in fact what we've done, we've broken those waves down a little bit more tighter so we can get a little bit more granular feel and an understanding of where we are. but I've given it to you from the high dimensions, so you can actually see how the wave structures has been created. So now we break that down into the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is what we're looking at, and as I said to you, we're in a wave 3 of the minor wave, right, of the minor degree. So the minor degree then is further broken down into subwaves, which is the minute, meaning blue in brackets, and the minute, which is black in brackets. Okay, minuet. So we've taken our trades, our specific trades, at different locations, and you can see that the entry for these 3 trades here, 1, 2, 3, have been taken at 101.836, with the stop level quite tight, bringing them from above these wave 2 of the minor down now to a stop level of 102.393. So we've got a very, very, very tight stop loss in the currents right now. Subsequently, we were riding this particular degree, the wave 3 degree, riding it down. Further then, when we broke down the trades down, the cycles, the degrees even further, we found this wave pattern emerge of the 1, 2, right? This is the minute cycle, and you can see its wave 2 has reached to the 61.8 level, and it's come down. Incidentally, if you're wondering what all these lines are, this is just like some sort of indication for ourselves here at the Trading Tigers, what we use for trading Elliott Wave, and we will be exposing this later on in our educational program, which we will have on our educational sites shortly, so please do follow that. If you have any questions, we do get lots of questions from traders asking us when our educational program will be in play, and I will let you know about it, and we will be explaining everything as best as possible, all our trading strategies. So we have the subwaves of the minute wave, the minute wave, and you can see it's 1, 2, 3, right? And we put our target for the minor, for the minute wave to come in play, and as you can see, this entry was taken at 101.837, and another one taken at 101.595. Okay, fine. So we've got our various profit targets in play, and as I said to you previously, we're trading the minute cycle, a minute degree, and that's what we're looking for in terms of profits, losses. I put these its subwave there just so we can have a better understanding where price will be. We're looking for price to come down to this level and take us out accordingly, take out our stop losses, and as you can see, there's our limits in place. So we got 1, 2, 3 limits at the 78% level, 100% level, and at the 127 level, and of course we got final targets further down. Stop levels have been moved as well, and this is actually on a trailing stop, so that's positive for us, because as we move down we actually keep it in profit within, so that's something to bear in mind, traders. So I hope that gives you a little bit more understanding for this potential this trades that we're doing for the US Japanese yen. Just to explain a little bit more, the incidents which are taking place in Ukraine right now with Russia has put a flight to safety for the safe haven currencies, and the Japanese yen is one safe haven currency. So we can see this downward move in for favor for the Japanese yen, and that's putting our trade into a positive light, which is perfect for us. Okay, fine. So that's enough from me. Thank you very much. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye bye.